I can take you there.
Dun, dun.
How many gamer points are you at?
Oh, it's 4.1k.
Wow. Nice.
Thanks.
No problem. Oh, you're being an old man?
I'm William Bill Overbeck.
We just call him Bill, okay? Not William or Overbeck or...
I am William Bill Overbeck.
Say Bill.
This is spoopy. I don't understand what I'm supposed to be doing, Max.
Alright, so crouch is L2 and running is L1. Okay.
That's weird. Where are you at? I found Twee. But there's a hook on it. Max, is this one where you have to run away from the... Oh. I don't think I'm supposed to be here. I'm gonna run upstairs. Are you upstairs? Ah! Max, he's a zombie! He's chasing me, Max. I don't have a weapon.
Wait.
Who's this? Who's this?
It's me.
Hi.
The zombie? It's Nemesis! From
What?
Resident Evil!
Someone died. Yeah.
Nemesis from Resident Evil.
Yeah.
No, he got hit.
Oh.
Follow
Well,
me, stay with me.
We're not gonna get hit because we're. Oh God.
Get in!
There's crows on top of you, Max.
Nah, I'm cool.
Uh-oh. These nuts got down, Max. We have to go help these. Oh God.
Come on, let's go. Let's go.
What the? Well, let's hide. There's a red thing, Max. Max, there's a red thing to the wall. I can see
That's
him.
the person. That's the teammate. We gotta go save him.
Okay.
Look, come on. There's a zombie near him. Don't let the zombie touch you or the zombie gives you AIDS.
Oh yeah, I don't want AIDS, Max. I protect.
Run! No, run the other way!
Split up! Split up!
Like Scooby-Doo!
Get juked, motherfucker! I like to imagine that's how my guy sounds when he runs. I just went in a circle. Dope. Wait, can I jump in here? Oh, Max, I'm in a thing. I'm hiding. No, Max!
He scared me. Sam, I need help.
Where you at? Oh, I see you. Did you just fall?
He carries me on his hip.
Uh-oh! Is he there? I know where that is. Oh, Max, he ran by me. I'm coming. Bum bum. Bum bum. Bum bum. Bum bum. I. Bum bum. Bum bum.
Run. Oh, that was loud.
Oh, sorry.
I'm going to touch myself. Don't look.
I like to watch.
I'm healing myself.
That's not what you're doing.
I'm giving myself a belly rub.
A very long.
Here, come here. Give me a back. Give me a
Wait,
back
she got
rub.
hit.
Come here.
She got hit. That person got
Come
hit.
here. Come give me a back rub.
Okay. Well, I don't like you making that noise.
I'm sorry.
We got hung. Oh, sorry.
Okay. Go get her.
I heard a gushy sound from you, Max. He's coming. Coming your direction.
I'm right. As long as I don't die. You got her?
Yeah. The music picking up, Max! Max, the music picking up! Ah! 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 Distraction! Max, he's on me! He's chasing me, Max! Help! He hit me! Ah!
Oh! The zombie scared the crap out of me.
Juked! No! Ah, he's beating on me!
I'll save you. Wiggle fast.
No, put me on a hook!
I'll save you.
He's coming your direction. If you're green, he's coming toward you. Run, Max!
Shoot! Run!
Ah! Mommy! He's chasing me! Where he go? He's going for you.
I'm dead.
Run away. I'm gonna hide. Wait, I'm gonna hide right here. Let me know if he gets you. How do I heal?
Where's it? You can't. Oh, hi.
I'm watching down.
I look
where you
right,
came.
you look left.
He's coming!
Oh god! He didn't. He left me. What?
I know.
Sam,
Max,
help.
I'm gonna hide.
Help.
I'm gonna let him put you on the hook, then I'm gonna get you.
Help.
Is he there? Ah, he's right here! No! He's coming for the other person. Once I recover, Max, I will come get you. The other person still has lives. He's coming for you. He's getting you. He's on me! He's on me! No, no thank you.
I got one more life left, bro.
Escape! Escape! He's right here! He's right here, Max! He's right here! Gimme, gimme, gimme.
Run!
There's a zombie! No, thank you. No, thank you.
Oh yeah.
There's another zombie up ahead, Max.
No! Hey.
Escape!
Zombie sucks.
Wait, pull down.
But hey, man. Welcome.
Oh.
I died.
You dead?
Yeah.
Like dead?
Yeah.
No, you good. I'm hiding. Oh, Max, that perfect place. If you can spectate me, if you come guess me, he's
Dude,
dead.
I'll come back from the gulag.
Okay.
You have to run around, dude. You're gonna die. You have to run around the map and find a crate that has antidote.
Oh,
That's
I
white.
see.
Do
There's
you
white
see it?
crates. Yeah, right here.
Yep. Get that. Open it. Take the antidote.
He's
Oh,
leading me
God.
to me!
Run,
What the heck is wrong with you, bro? Lead him away from me!
Keep running.
Fucking idiot.
Wait, you're safe. Go back for it. Go back. Get it. No!
He is right there.
You have to go to another one. Oh lord, this is like. Oh man. Get
No.
You got beat by a zombie.
I thought I had more time, bro. Don't come toward me! No, go the other direction, you fucking idiot!
No, yeah, if you can't recover by yourself unless you have unbreakable, which you don't.
Okay, find help. Dang it! Come get me! Bitch, come get me! Come get me, motherfucker! There's an antidote right here, man. We can split. Please. Oh my god. I need help!
I don't think he can help you when he's getting chased.
He can run over here. Ah, I need... No! Well, we're screwed.
Wait, crawl around and look for a hatch.
A hatch? There's...
Yeah. No, only how you can win is if you find that. Never mind. Just keep.
Juked! Dang it.
So wiggle it fast. Wiggle as fast as you never wiggled before. Wiggle faster like it's a girl scooter.
That's what I'm doing.
Get it. He let you leave. He's letting you leave. Leave. He's letting you leave.
Whee!
Hey, first
I
game,
survived!
first escape.
Yay!
You escaped your first game.
Yes, sir.
There's a dead cowboy right in front of us, Rose.
Give him some skin. That means I give him a high five. Oh, I spawned next to a generator. Hello.
Hey guys, this video is sponsored by Manscaped and Raid Shadow Legends.
Oh, Maxwell is right behind you!
Where's he at?
Stick it!
Damn it.
Oh, you messed it up!
It's okay.
Run!
No. Oh!
Can you see him, Max?
No, it's only when you get hooked is when everyone can see
Max,
him.
he's coming.
Oh, Sam,
He's
run.
coming.
So I'm the only one who can see everybody?
No, when you get
Ow.
hooked, we
How
can
does he
see
reach
everyone.
me, bro? You guys
Oh,
gotta
that's
reach him
just
18,
me.
bro. No, please don't.
We can
See
only
the-
see everyone when you get hooked.
I caught it.
Oh my god. He was.
Keep going.
He's.
Run.
Fuck. Fuck.
Uh-oh. Why does he keep going for me? Go for someone else.
Because he knows. Are you dead? Oh, you're dead. Fuck that. I'm
Yeah.
out. And of course, this bitch. Excuse me, sorry. Come on, Max.
Oh,
Come
hi,
on, Max.
Mark.
Suck him out, Max.
He can't see you, Max.
Suck him out,
You're
Max.
too short. He can't see you.
No.
Go.
This is so sorry.
He knows you. Max.
Max.
Oh, he got you. He got you.
Oh my god, Max. Hurry, Max. Good job, Max.
He's Saw you.
Oh my god. Oh, if you would have never stood the fuck up, he would have saw you.
Do you guys want to hear my song that I made
Yeah.
earlier today?
Your what?
My song.
Yeah.
You finally finished it?
Mm-hmm.
I did a good job on that beat, didn't I?
Yeah.
Like you remixed it?
No.
No, that's our song. I made
Yeah.
the beat. He made the lyrics.
Yeah.
And
Who's
sung it.
singing?
I am.
Him.
What?
Yeah.
You're fucking with me.
No.
He's not.
Swear to God.
No, it's actually me. You can check out my TikTok at EliWilson07.
Hold on. I'm looking. Why are you laughing, Maxwell? Y'all fucking with me? You are lying.
No, I'm not.
No, that's Sam.
Eli's my middle name. I just use it.
Is that really you?
Yeah.
I can't even tell if you're being serious or joking.
No,
No, he's being serious.
Being dead
Like
serious.
how you're saying you're 12 and stuff.
Are you looking at all my TikToks now?
Yeah. Because I can't tell if this is really you or not.
Hmm.
Well, why was Maxwell laughing?
Cause he's watching TikToks.
And he's still laughing. I can't believe it.
Are you gonna change the highlights in your hair, Sam, or are you gonna keep them?
No, I like him. I've had him for a long time now, so might as well keep him.
Are you mixed?
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool. Okay, I think I believe you.
Oh my god. Whoever is in this room, this room, he's coming.
The basement.
It's
room?
Legion! I ratted our teammate out. He's leaving me alone. The dude, I pointed to the corner where our teammate was, and he went to the teammate and just left me alone. Wait, you're in the basement, like with the four hooks?
I'm outside. I'm in a weird demons triangle thing.
Come outside, Sam. I'm gonna show you a little hiding place.
Oh, no thank you! No thanks, she found me, Max!
Maxwell, get your buddy. Don't point at me.
No!
No, it's this, like, the actual... The
Run away,
actual...
run away, run away, run away, run away, run away, run away.
Can I speak? I brought her back. I brought him back to the Meg. I brought him back to the Meg. Meg not allowed to live.
Oh, he's coming for me, bro.
I'm safe.
Max, recover and come help me.
You can give me.
Hold
give me.
on.
Oh no, he's not. He's right here. He's right. He's looking at me. He's coming to touch my butt. He's touching me. He's coming.
Holy
Oh
fuck.
my god. He's just.
Someone
camping
please
himself.
hurry and get
Give
me, please.
Give me.
This
Oh,
thing
God,
is
I'm
running
sorry.
very low on the white bar. I'd really appreciate some help.
I want to say, oh, Rose, run, and then my jaw.
I'm
cracks.
dead.
No.
You talk too long.
Go get Sam.
I'm
Oh.
dead.
Sam dead. Go get him. He's dead.
dead.
I'm sorry.
Oh my god, he's looking
Don't
for me.
move. Now you can move.
Don't move! Alright, you can move. Stop moving. Alright, you're good. Wait!
Wait.
Alright, you're good.
What?
Check corner, check corner, check corner. Okay, you're good.
Wait,
Check
wait,
behind
wait.
you.
Wait. Shh.
I can see that big old blue booty at the bush. F you. Goodbye. You hurt me for the last time.
Pew, 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 pew.